Hi, and welcome to the Entrepreneurial Training and Assistance Program offered by the Vidine Center at the University of Minnesota Crookston. My name is Rachel Lundbaum. I'm going to be your facilitator for this course. I wanted to give you a quick overview of what the course looks like and how to navigate it so that you can be successful as we progress through this workshop. So this course is intended for both current business owners and individuals looking to start a business. This is our course site. This is called Canvas. This is the course. This is what we use at the University of Minnesota to offer all online programming or online courses. So to get started, you can look at the home. This is the home page. You're watching the video. Here's information on our live virtual meetings. We will have meetings Mondays from 5 to 6 and Tuesdays from noon to 1. These are the dates of the meetings. You don't need to attend both. You can attend both if you would like. I just put 2 times so that it gave you options of what worked best for you. These virtual meetings will include myself and our 2 interns and any other participants. It's a time for us to provide you with additional information, clarification, a time for us to answer your questions, and a time for you to get advice or to ask specific questions that you may have. As part of this program, you also get to request assistance from one of our wonderful interns. You can click on this link to request assistance, or you can just email me. And then you also have access to learning communities and networking groups, so you can click here for more information on those. To get started, you can either click here to access the course content, or you can click the modules page at any time. Starting here, I have an overview of the course and the program. All right, and how to navigate, what are the goals of this course, and then information on myself and our 2 student interns and how to contact us. At any time, you can go back to modules, or you can just click the next page. We ask you to take our pre-workshop assessment. This program is funded by the Minnesota Department of Employment and Economic Development, and they want to know how effective we were in this program. So we ask you to take this short pre-test, just asking you how much you think you know about certain areas. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes for you to complete. And then we ask you to also take a few minutes to introduce yourself. In order to do this, you just click the reply button, okay? Again, at any time, you can go back to modules. Each week, we'll have different information that might be helpful to you and a discussion forum where you can converse with the facilitators and others in the course, okay? So we will go for 4 weeks. So week 1, we talk about introductions and basic business concepts. In week 2, we talk about business planning. In week 3, we talk about marketing and management. And in week 4, we talk about accounting and finance. And then we have some end of the course materials as well that we ask you to complete, including a post-test to see how much you've learned, and then an evaluation so we can make this program better. So that is just my short introduction. Again, at any time to navigate, you can go to Home or Modules. And if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me by phone or email. All right, looking forward to getting to know you all. Thank you. Have a great day.